Use a sanded grout formulated for wide joints and pack it tightly so it cures strong and resists washout. For very wide grout joints on a bathroom floor, choose a cementitious sanded grout or a polymer modified sanded grout rated for joints wider than 1/4 inch and up to 1/2 inch or more depending on tile size and movement. Expectations. Mix to a stiff peanut butter consistency using clean water or the manufacturer recommended additive and let the mix slake for a few minutes, then remix before use. This improves hydration and workability. Work in small sections and press the grout into the joint firmly with the corner of a rubber float held at a low angle to force material deep into the joint rather than just skimming the surface. Overfill the joint slightly, then draw the float diagonally across the tiles to remove excess while keeping the grout packed. After initial set but before full cure, use a rounded grout finishing tool or a dense foam float to shape and compact the grout back into the joint for a dense surface that sheds water. Keep the floor slightly damp but not wet during the first 24 to 48 hours if the manufacturer suggests damp curing, and avoid heavy traffic for the full cure time they recommend. Common problems include grout cracking from insufficient compaction and shrinkage, which you prevent by packing the joint fully and avoiding overly wet mixes. Another issue is washout or soft joints from running water on fresh grout. Protect the area, limit exposure to moisture, and use a polymer-modified product if the shower or floor is frequently wet during cure. A third frequent concern is poor adhesion to joint faces when tile or joint sides are dusty or unclean, so always clean and, if needed, dampen the joints before grouting to ensure proper bonding. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work through our listings and project connections. We also host an active discussion community on the site where people share experiences, techniques, and contractor referrals related to tiling and grout work.